All right, so once you get all your mounts in, if you notice back in there, right there, and right there, these spacers screw into the block. There's an Allen inside of them, and then on this axle, there's actually an Allen built into it. So what you do is you slide them in, and then you turn them loosen them, and that pulls this out until this engine mount touches up against the frame on both sides, and then you just keep doing that until it pushes the engine all the way to the other side. You have another one right here. So you just tighten those down just to get the engine shifted all the way over so that you don't have any gaps here or down here or up here. And I was feeling this washer, it was spinning, but now it doesn't move anymore. So now we know that the sprockets are lined up. After that, go ahead and you lock this castle nut down, install your engine mount bolt, and then same thing here. You don't want to let this side spin at all, so you got to hold this side and then tighten down the nut on the other side. Once that's done, we have all 1, 2, 3, 4 engine mounts in. We're going to go ahead and mount that radiator on.